If you've ever towed a trailer, you know how crucial it is to get the tongue weight just right. Well, the WaySafe Aero hitch has taken all the guesswork out of it with its built-in scale. Before the WaySafe Aero hitch, gauging your trailer's tongue weight was a real hassle. But with the WaySafe Aero hitch, measuring your tongue weight is as easy as coupling your trailer to the ball mount. All you've got to do is hook up your trailer to the WaySafe ball mount, just like you would with any other ball mount. This activates the built-in scale, giving you an accurate tongue weight. Now let's talk about why tongue weight is so crucial. Tongue weight, or TW, is the amount of force that a fully loaded trailer puts downward on a hitch ball. The WaySafe Aero hitch ensures you stay within the recommended range of 10 to 15% of your gross trailer weight. So why does that matter? Well, too little tongue weight can lead to trailer sway, while too much can affect your vehicle's performance. Imagine having trouble steering, gaining traction, or braking because of improper weight distribution. It's not just inconvenient, it can be downright dangerous. The WaySafe Aero hitch comes with everything you need for worry-free towing. The WaySafe Aero hitch, the trailer hitch that puts control back in your hands. If you want to know more about the WaySafe Aero hitch or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.